Hey, bless you. Babe, hold on. Here, what? Oy, nine. See, so just giving her paracetamol and Nurofen.
And Panadol.
Yeah, Panadol was bubble gum. Yeah, 38, 39, ang init. Tuwa tayong tulog the whole night. Kakabantay ka, Tati. Kasi grabe yung ubo niya, non-stop. As in, parang meron siyang influenza. So, hindi ako makatulog, kakabantay. And also, palagi ko siyang check. Mainit siya, tapos nanginginig, shivering, and talking in her sleep, na hindi siya makatulog, irritable siya. Sabi ng doktor kagabi, pag the same pa din, then see your GP, yung GP ni Tati. Eh, guys, yung temperature niya, nang chinek ko na, umabot na guys, mga 39, 38 to 39 na, umabot na. So, yun, another paracetamol, tapos again, na umaga, hinaan ko lang mag-rest hanggang matulog siya. Kasi yung ubo niya, pag tulog siya, hindi siya umuubo. Yung parang pag irritable siya, dun yung grabe yung ubo. So, how much is it now? Like, what is it now, her temperature? Ha?
38.2.
See, 38.2. May ano na guys, may Nurofen tsaka paracetamol. Daddy gave her medication not long ago. Nagigising na siya. Pero good thing, hindi siya sumusuka guys. Ano lang talaga. Mainit lang siya, ubo. Nasi-shiver. Tapos, nag-complain siya ng tummy ache. Tapos, headache daw. 38. Yeah, that's still high. Very high. That's high grade. So, yung fever niya, since Saturday, na ngayon, Wednesday na guys, so 5 days, so which means meron talaga siyang infection. So, nag-decide na kami ni Daddy na magpa-hospital na lang. Kasi tinawagan namin na doktor, yung agency, telehealth, yung suggest niya, doctor, oh yan, that sounds bad. Yeah, that's influenza. Give her water, babe. Yeah.
They got the same thing.
Huh? So yung doktor kagabi sa phone, si her GP or hospital pag the same pa din pa nagdala. Si Daddy kanina nag-book siya ng doktor at 3 p.m. ngayon. Sabi ko na, there's no point cancel, we're going to hospital to finish work. Kasi parang iba na to guys, malala. So kasi ngayon dito yung ubo, tsaka yung ubo, sipon, tapos yung sa weather, yung klima guys, mainit, tapos naman, ulan, malamig, init, malamig. So yun, nag-isa na kami ni Daddy na hospital. What, do you wanna go now, or do you wanna go after work?
Where are you going?
No, we're going to childcare. We're going to the hospital.
She said doctor.
Doctor, yes. Yeah, we're going
Do you
here.
want to eat something?
Do you want to eat something before we go?
Yeah.
Do you want to eat rice? Kagabi kumain siya ng rice, which is good.
She might wait 3 hours.
Sabi ni Dada, mga 3:30. Kasi mag-work pa siya ng konti. And si Tati parang naging okay din with Nurofen and paracetamol. Tati! See? What do you have?
I have to find.
What's this one? What's this?
It's my wallet.
It's wallet. It's her wallet, guys. Show your wallet.
It's
Wow!
Princess one.
It's Princess
Uh-oh.
one. Grabe na guys, yung ubo niya, may may tundog na. Yung, yung tahol ng aso ba? Yung ganyan. Well, we got money. You gotta put it in your pocket. Or in your wallet. What are you gonna buy with the money? Not in your wallet. What are you gonna buy with your money?
Toys.
Toys? What toys do you want?
I want a very cool.
A what?
A very cool.
What's that?
Very cool.
Hindi ko maintindihan, guys. Put them in your wallet. Then, when you feel better, then we can go to the shop, yeah? How's that?
Yay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. So where's the pain? You get any more pain? Where's the pain? Can you point where's the pain? Can you tell Mama where is your pain?
My leg is normal.
Huh?
My leg is normal.
Your leg is normal. What about your tummy? You got tummy ache? Or what about headache? Head? What about your ears? Okay, put your money in there.
It's not money, it's a coin.
Oh, coins. You guys, ako guys, kinakorek ng
I
anak
got a
ko.
wallet.
You get a wallet. Okay.
Daddy's finished the walk, I think.
Daddy's still working, I think. Okay. How are you feeling now? Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna eat first before we go. Kasi may natira pang pagkain from kahapon nung nagluto si kapatid. So, si Dada, sabi niya mga 3:30 kami aalis. So, which is good. Makakain ako, guys. Kasi late na kami nagising ni Ate, mga 12. And then nasa bed lang kami kasi yun nga, nag-rest. Oh, good. You feel better. That's good. So, at least, di ba, makakain tayo. Kahit mag-wait kami doon, maghintay ng ilang oras. Si Tati nagdede lang. Ayaw niya kumain. Ayaw niya mag-breakfast, mag-lunch. Ayaw niya, guys. Ayaw niya mag-fruit. Ayaw niya. So, I'll get her stuff ready after this. So, kain muna tayo. Ay, yung anak natin. Alam niya paggabi. Dahil guys, naiyak na ako. Alam mo yun, napapray ako na sana ako na lang yung nagkasakit, hindi yung anak ko. Kasi, pag yung anak ko na nagkasakit, parang, mas mahirap ba? Like, mahirap tiisin. Sana ikaw na lang. At least, ako makaya ko as an adult, di ba? As nanay. Pero yung anak na ay, halos lahat, di ba? Gagawin. Parang, as much as you wanna be calm, pero, grabe na yung ubo, kagabi maabot na 39. Yun, gusto ko na magpa-clean dress, pero sabi ko, na she's going to be okay, ganyan. Binigyan ko ng paracetamol. And then, tubig. And then, nag-milk siya. What's that? Is this good? It's a new one. Where's the old one? Fine. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do it?
What flavor?
Bubble gum. Is it yummy? Guys, kumain lang siya na 4 na biscuits. No, 3 biscuits and a bit of apple juice and water. And now, citrusin. Okay, this is your water, yeah. Yeah, hang on. Huh?
Not working.
Huh? It's working. You have to wait for a bit. Oh. Water. Sa alis na kami, puna na kami ng emergency. Kasi baka mamaya mag-busy ba? Don't eat that. No, that's dirty. Don't eat that one. Kasi baka bumalik naman yung fever niya. Do okay siya ngayon, baka bumalik ba? Hina na. Okay, come on. No, sit down. It's so heavy. Yeah, wait for that. Wait for that. So, alis na lang kami ngayon. Kesa hintayin namin na bumalik ulit yung fever, then alis kami. At least nag-go signal na si Joyce na hindi na busy yung yung pedia. So, okay, ano oras na? Mag-6 na. So, tapos si Dada mag-work. So, diretso na kami doon. Baka bumalik naman yung fever niya. Yung inaano ko ba na okay siya ngayon with paracetamol tsaka Nurofen. And then, pagkatapos niyan, pag after 4 hours, baka bumalik naman yung fever niya. So, it's better na alis na lang kami. Okay, let's go everybody. Ay, ginahapo ako guys. So, dito na kami sa may hospital. Naghintay kami ng doktor. So, yan si tati. Oh, doon sila sa may waiting room. So, wala pa yung doktor. Hopefully she's okay. Ubo, non-stop pa din. Walang fever. Hinintay ko si Jules. Okay, so tulog yung anak natin. Nang dumating yung nurse kanya to check on her. Nakatulog siya guys. Straight away, tulog agad. Mama Joyce? Oh, Mama Joyce was here not long ago. He had to see you, but you were sleeping. And the nurse as well. Pugas, pumunta na yung doktor dito. Chinek si tati, tsaka ginawa yung kanyang blood.
Some water.
Hindi blood test, yung sa ano na yung parang, sa BSL ba? Yung sugar test. Do you want water, tati? Yeah. So, chinek yung kanyang lungs. Guys, sa bahay na kami bago lang. Ano, oras na. So, na-discharge kami mga 10. Around 10 p.m. Hindi na namin ginawa yung discharge letter kasi hindi namin kailangan. Kasi yung summary, diretso na dun sa aming GP, sa GP ni Tati. Okay, do you want to say hi? You say, I'm better now. Still coughing. Ayaw nila i-x-ray si Tati kasi she's too little for x-ray. And no antibiotics, wala. So, yung diagnosis nila is, flu. No? Flu. So, meron siyang flu. And si Tata din, hatching na hatching kanina. Tsaka, naku, ay fever na hindi rin maintindihan. Gusto ko rin ipa-admit si Dada dun. So, yung last sa doktor na nag-check kay Tati, sabi niya, nothing too serious. The respiratory infection, pero walang antibiotics. Parang continue yung ginagawa namin. Bigyan siya ng Nurofen and paracetamol pag mataas yung fever niya. No antibiotics. Hindi na recommended yung antibiotics dito for toddlers and babies. Even x-ray, blood test, hindi. Kasi they don't wanna put the stress on the kids, babies, ganyan. Lang kanina prick, like, parang sa diabetes ba. So, yun. So, may chinek sila doon kung meron siyang UTI or UTI infection. Kung meron siyang infection or UTI. Pero, wala. So, yan yung advice niya na plenty of water, rest, and then paracetamol or Nurofen every 6 to 8 hours pag mataas yung fever niya. So, lots and lots of water. So, yun guys. So, we're very relieved na okay sa atin na walang major. Kasi they were worried kanina yung last na doktor na baka daw meron siyang appendicitis or anything internal pa na grabe. So, yan yung kaninang nila. Baka meron siya appendicitis. Kaya sa Tati nagko-complain ng abdominal pain, dun sa tsaka earache, tsaka headache. So, kanina, ilang beses lang check yung tiyan ni Tati, ginaganon. Tapos yung likod niya, yung lungs niya, very clear. So, yan. So, yeah, we're very relieved. Very relieved na me. And si Dada din. Na okay ang anak namin. Pumunta rin si Joyce, nag-visit a few times, check on Tati, and then in the end, pumunta siya nung na-discharge na kami. Yung 10 o'clock. From 6, so 4 hours kami doon. Luckily, mabilis yung pagpasok namin sa emergency, and then diretso na sa my pedia. And then we waited sa my waiting room for a few minutes, and then we got a bed. And then doon na guys. Very, not very busy kanina. Kasi napalabas na kami, mga 10. Guys, grabe puno yung emergency. Tsaka yung waiting room sa pedia, puno rin. She doesn't have a fever, but we'll just give it for her comfort and pag, ano siya guys, pag, ano siya guys, I mean like pag bedtime na.
Yeah, because they say even if they don't, keep giving it because once you
Yeah, just give paracetamol for now. Bigyan namin yung girlfriend and paracetamol pag grabe yung yung fever niya. Pag mataas ba? Kasi kanina 39.1. Guys, natakot kami. Natakot ako, guys.
No,
Tapos,
this is a Panadol.
Panadol. Only Panadol.
Strawberry.
Natakot ako. Akala ko sira yung aming thermometer. May check din namin dito yung aming temperature kung sira talaga yung thermometer. Hindi, guys. Si tati talaga mataas yung fever niya kanina. Kaya natakot kami. Sabi ko na, 39.1, 39.3 na. Since last night pa, tapos kanina, Diyos ko, parang, grabe yung,
Oh, baby.
napapanik ako na, ay, sabi ko, calm down, you know. So, yun. Did you take it? Huh? Did you take your Panadol? Did you take it?
Yes.
Baby. Ay, okay.
What's wrong?
You feel it? Did you take your Panadol? Did you take your Panadol?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will fix it. Oh, look. Say good night, everybody. Good night.